Good morning students. 10th standard Science Chapter 13 Structural Organization of Animals. Page 191. From this video we will start with reproductive system of leech. All leeches are hermaphrodite in nature. Hermaphrodite or bisexual organism. Hermaphrodite means each one has both male and female reproductive organs. Each single organism contains male and female reproductive organs. That is hermaphrodite. Male reproductive system. There are 11 pairs of testes. One pair in each segment from 12 to 22 segments. Okay. So that is 11 pair of testes. One pair in each segment from 12 to 22 segments. Testes are present in testis sac. That is a testis pouch like structure. That is testis sac. From this testis arise a short duct. The duct is called as vas efferens. Okay. So testis lende velila poradha vandu enna solluvom, that is vas efferens. Okay. So the vas efferens connected with vas deferens. Okay, the vas efferens connected with vas deferens. The vas deferens become convoluted, that is coil like structure, and to form epididymis. Okay, that is epididymis or otherwise called as sperm vesicle. Epididymis will store the sperms. Okay, sperm are spermatozoa. Okay, that is a storage organ. So the epididymis leads to a short duct called as ejaculatory duct. Okay, so the ejaculatory ducts on both sides. Okay, the ejaculatory ducts on both sides join to form a genital atrium. Okay, genital atrium. That is see the picture. Okay, so that is epididymis, and then epididymis leads to a short duct that is called as ejaculatory duct, and then ejaculatory duct, both sides of the ejaculatory duct open into the genital atrium, that is the atrium portion. Okay, genital atrium. So the atrium shows two regions. One is anterior broad prostate gland. Okay, anterior broad prostate gland, and another one is posterior narrow penis sac. Okay, it opens out through male genital opening on the ventral side of the body in between second and third annuli of 10th segment. Clear? So the spermatozoa are stored in the epididymis, and the sperm move to the prostate gland by prostate secretion. During copulation, this will be transferred to the other leech by penis. Okay, clear? Next, female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of ovaries, oviduct, and vagina. In the 11th segment, a pair of ovaries are present. Each ovary is a coiled ribbon-shaped structure. The ova are budded off from the ovary. Okay, ovary மேலே அந்த ovaries மேலே ova வந்து அப்படியே பதிஞ்ச மாதிரி இருக்கும். Budded off from the ovary. Ova means egg. Okay, clear? From each ovary arise a oviduct. ஓகே, ஒரு ஓவரியிலேருந்து என்னது ஒரு டக்ட் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. அதை வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறோம், ஓவிடக்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ இந்த டூ ஓவிடக்ட்ஸ் ஜாயின் டு ஃபார்ம் அ காமன் ஓவிடக்ட். அந்த ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்து ஒரே டக்டாக ஜாயின்ட் ஆகுது. தட் இஸ் காமன் ஓவிடக்ட். இந்த காமன் ஓவிடக்ட் ஓப்பன்ஸ் இன்டு pear-shaped vagina. Okay, the common oviduct opens into pear-shaped vagina. It opens out through female genital opening. So mid-ventrally in between second and third annuli of 11th segment. Okay, the fertilization takes place in vagina. Okay, this is the reproductive system. And then development of leech. that is internal fertilization takes place. The development of zygote takes place in cocoon. Okay, development of zygote takes place in cocoon. Cocoon is also known as the egg case, okay, which is found in 9th, 10th and 11th segment. That is the clitella region. Okay, 9th, 10th and 11th segment. The development of leech nearly takes 15 days. Okay, so the development is direct, that is absence of larval forms. 1 to 24 leeches may come out on each cocoon. Okay, ஒரு கோகோன்லேருந்து 1லேருந்து 24 leeches வந்து வெளியில் வரும். Okay, and then the young ones resembles the adult. Okay, so that is no larval forms. அதில் larval forms கிடையாது. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன young ones வெளியில் வரும்போதே it resembles the adult one. Okay.